Hello friends. Today I am going to describe a very few important tips regarding the COVID-19 disease. As the disease has made appearance in the entire universe, and it is just making the havoc in almost all developing world, and it is going to spread in our country, the India as well. So there are a few important tips that you should keep in your mind, how to keep away the disease. As you may be aware that still there is not any specific treatment to the disease. So let us have a few things to remember in our mind, that how to get away from the disease. The very first thing is, as in India we are following the lockdown as prescribed by our government. So keep yourself limited to your house, inside house, confined to your house. Now the important thing, that when you go outside for purchase of some groceries or other essential items, then it is important to keep your hand clean as much as possible. Suppose you just go out of your house, then while entering into the lift, just use a bud to open the lift and be single inside the lift. If anybody is there, then please wait for, or it is better to use the stairs if it is possible. And to open the door of the lift, it is better to use the any bud or anything, and just go outside. And when you try to open the door, then it is better not to use your hand. Instead, use the elbow to open the door, or with the help of your foot. Then you go outside and just collect the groceries. Just ask that fellow, or if it is better, that you just wear the gloves to collect the groceries from the shop. Just pack all groceries in a box, come to your house, and then keep these groceries in some open areas under the sun. Just remove your gloves and dispose that gloves in a far away from your house, and then wash your hands as well as your feet, and just keep the groceries and other items outside in the sun. After 12 hour or 24 hour, if it is possible after 24 hour, just wash them under the fresh water mixed with some disinfectant as per your choice. Bleaching powder is very good, as I consider it. It is very good. It will kill the entire virus. And after washing all these groceries and all things, then dry them and again keep them under the sun. So in that way, because it may be an open source of infection that may come from the outside, from a shop. So it is better to just keep these groceries in open side, and then when you use, then at least after 24 hours you may use all these things. So this is one thing. As it may be told earlier that wash your hand, it is better to use the soap. The soap is better. Just wash the hands for 20 seconds, and if it is not possible, then alcohol may be used. Both of these things as a hand sanitizer. So both of the things, just cover your face with a mask. The masks are available abundantly. Instead of usual sanitizer, I would rather prefer the alcohol based sanitizer. It is better that the percentage of alcohol should be more than 70%, 60 to 70%. Just keep yourself in a state of paranoia. In order to check the coronavirus disease, you have to have a very paranoid personality. You just see in each and everything the possibility of coronavirus. Only then we may think that we may get out of this frustrating situation. Second thing, if anybody gets the symptoms, then it is better to visit the nearby designated center, government hospital, and get yourself checked. The majority of the patients that nowadays they are asymptomatic. Now if What are the other things that we can adopt in our daily life to minimize the effect of this coronavirus disease? As you may be aware that it is an airborne infection, sometimes maybe catched from the utensils or some objects or some things in the open, and it gets entry into the body through nose and mouth. So it is better to keep your mouth and nose clean. Wash your hands obviously, and then keep an antiviral environment in your mouth as well as in your nose. So I would rather prefer that you just have a claw long inside your mouth and just keep it in the morning and in the evening, as well as take the tea, the hot tea with the long this clove or basil in tulsi. So both of the things and along with sunthi, that is ginger. So these things may be taken in the tea in the morning and in the evening. There is no harm in taking the tea. Just take the tea because tea is good in comparison to the milk. And if you just like the milk, then have turmeric inside the in the milk. Turmeric mixed milk is good. Apart from that, there are two herbs that are very much important to boost the immunity, and they are the giloy as well as ashwagandha. So these are two Indian herbs that are very much important and good to keep your immunity at a good level. So by following all these rules, we may get away from this problem. Hope for the best and just help the government and health professionals to keep their burden as low as possible. Thank you very much.